Hello students, today we will discuss some more examples on interpolation. Next one is find the interpolation polynomial f of x satisfying f of 0 is equal to 0, f of 2 is equal to 4, f of 4 is equal to 56, f of 6 is equal to 204, f of 8 is equal to 496 and f of 10 is equal to 980, and hence find f of 3, f of 5 and f of 7. Observe the question here. They given that we have to find the interpolating polynomial. Means we before substituting this 3 value 5 and 7 we have to find the interpolating polynomial. After that substitute to find f of 3, substitute in polynomial x is equal to 3, and for f of 5 substitute x is equal to 5, and for f of 7 substitute x is equal to 7. Here we have to decide which formula is applicable to find this f of 3, f of 5 and f of 7. Solution: the interpolating polynomial can be found from either of the two interpolation formulae. Means we can use any of the equation, either Newton's forward interpolation formula or Newton's backward interpolation formula to find interpolating polynomial. Our first work is we have to find the interpolating polynomial. After that substitute x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 3 for finding f of 3, and x is equal to 5 for finding f of 5, and x is equal to 7 for f of 7. Either of the two formula we shall use Newton's forward interpolation formula. The difference table is like this. These are the x value. See here, this is of the form, these are f of 0 is equal to 0 of the form f of x is equal to y. That means these are the values of x and remaining are the values of y. These are the x values and these are the y values, and calculate this remaining columns and apply the Newton's forward interpolation formula. This is the Newton's forward interpolation formula. Here from this table, delta y naught, y naught, delta y naught, delta square y naught, delta cube y naught values are known. We have to just find the what is the value of r. For forward interpolation formula we have r is equal to x minus x naught divided by h. Here keep x as it is, because here we have to find the interpolating polynomial. Means keep x as it is, and x naught value is 0 here and h value is 2, because the interval length is 2, therefore r is equal to x by 2. If they given to find the interpolating polynomial, do not put the values of x, just keep it as it is and find what is the value of r. Then substitute all these values in the forward interpolation formula and calculate. After substitution we get the equation like this, that is 2x plus x by 2 x minus 2 divided by 2 into 24 plus x by 2 into x minus 2 divided by 2 into x minus 4 divided by 2 into 8. Solve this one. 2x x into x minus 2 into 24. 2 into 2 is 4, then 4 ones are 4 6 are 24. Therefore see here, this will be cancelled. Here it is 6 are, because 2 into 2 4, 4 6 are 24. Therefore x into x minus 2 into 6. Similarly here 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 8 ones are 8. Therefore x into x minus 2, x minus 4. Again simplify this one. Keep x constant, take x common in all this term. The remaining is 2 plus 6 into x minus 2 plus x, simplify these two brackets, that is x into x, x square, x into 4 minus 4x, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 4 is plus 8. Then y is equal to f of x is equal to x into, simplify here this one, 2 plus 6 into x minus 2 is 6x minus 12, and x square minus 2x minus 4x is minus 6x plus 8. After that we will get x cube minus 2x. On simplifying this bracket, we will get x cube minus 2x. Thus, the interpolating polynomial is y is equal to f of x is x cube minus 2x. Now, substitute the value of x to find f of 3, f of 5 and f of 7. In this polynomial, first put x is equal to 3. We will get f of 3 is equal to 21. After that, substitute in place of x 5. We will get f of 5 is equal to 115 and substitute x is equal to 7 to find f of 7. We will get f of 7 is equal to 329. Next example. From the following table, find the number of students who have obtained first one less than 45 marks, second one between 40 and 45 marks. Here we have two cases. First we have to find less than 45 marks and after that between 40 and 45 marks. Here the data is given. Marks are 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, and these are the number of students, means these are the values of x. Here the given data is in grouped form. First, before going to calculate or before going to construct the table, we have to convert this grouped data into ungrouped data. Procedure is, see here, we shall reconstitute the given table with f of x representing the number of students less than x marks. That is first one is, see here, first one 30 to 40 means here these are the marks which are less than the 40. Therefore, less than 40 marks, number of students are 31. Therefore, less than 40 marks, 31 students. Then less than 50 marks is, see here it is less than 50 marks. Less than 50 marks means these are also less than 40 marks. Less than 50 marks is equal to 31 students is equal to 31 plus 42 is equal to 73 students. We have to add 31 here because if these are the, if this marks is less than 50 marks means these are also less than 40 marks. Therefore, we have to add 31 plus 42 is equal to 73. Similarly, less than 60 marks. Less than 60 marks means these are less than 40 and 50. Here 73 plus 51 is equal to 124 students. Then less than 70 marks is equal to 124 plus 35 which is equal to 159 students. Similarly, less than 80 marks is equal to 159 plus 31 is equal to 190 students. We have new table along with the forward difference. First we have to take first one. We have to find the f of 45. We need to find f of 45 being the number of students scoring less than 45 marks. These are the values of x, that is 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and these are the values of y. We have to calculate these columns. After that, we have to decide which formula should be applicable here. We shall find f of 45 by applying Newton's forward interpolation formula, because see here f of 45 is near to x naught value. If it is near to x naught value means we have to use Newton's forward interpolation formula. This is the Newton's forward interpolation formula, and the formula for r is equal to x minus x naught divided by h. Then r is equal to x value is 45, x naught is 50, and interval length is 10. After calculation we get r is equal to 0.5. Substitute all the values in forward interpolation formula and calculate. We will get f of 45 is equal to 47.86 or 48. Thus, the number of students obtaining less than 45 marks is 48.